Hi everyone, my name is Adedayo, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching us how to use the drum button on the Korg Nautilus. Let's go. After clicking on the programs, come here to search. Let's just use something simple like B5. Let's click on the app drum. Right now, I want us to turn off this latch button since we're only talking about a drum. If you press anything right now, the drum is going to trigger. So if you have this, and if you want to turn it off, you can turn it off like this, or you click on the drum button. Right now, I want us to change the drum sound. Let's click on this edit. It takes us to this window. And click this, and then you come here. Let's check something else. Let's check something. Let's check some R&B. Let's click OK. Turn on the drums again, and then press any button. Right. Now let's say that's what we want to go for, and then we also want to change this into something else. Okay. Now go back to the edit button. So right now, if I'm playing, I can move between drum pattern 1 and 2. Right now, let's play something over this. Simple beat.